Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Telegram account on your phone. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram app. And after that, click on Start Messaging. You should put your phone number. I will look for my country. After that, put your phone number. And click Continue. Click Continue again. And just wait for a few seconds. Okay, it will ask you to add an email address. I will add my email address. Click Continue. And after that, you have to go to check your email to find that code. It's one-time code, so you can't use it again. And after that, they will send you a message with a code also, activation. Here you should put your first name and your last name. Should write them. You can put your picture by clicking on the camera icon. Click Continue. And as you can see, our Telegram account is created and you can start using it without any problem. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.